That's how it works. I'm not allowed to hear your plea negotiations with the state and your defense counsel unless they want me to hear that, but that is not allowed. Here's the thing, sir. I understand that you're upset and that you want to be out. I don't know why you're not facing me.
Because I'm mad, miss. Because the SAPD lied to me and they've been harassing me for 2 years.
Today in Judge Boyd's court, we are confronted with a case unlike any seen before on this channel. A defendant whose demeanor speaks volumes louder than any words he uttered. This individual, embroiled in a legal matter, chose not to face Judge Boyd while she addressed him from the bench. Instead, he turned to the side, a blatant display of disrespect that reverberated through the courtroom. And what do you think triggered this defiance? It seems the defendant's grievances with the San Antonio Police Department has spilled over into the courtroom. This is an issue not pertinent to the proceedings nor within Judge Boyd's jurisdiction. Nevertheless, the audacious act cannot go unchecked. How will Judge Boyd navigate this unprecedented challenge to the court's authority? Stay tuned to find out.
Andrew Orozco, it appears we just saw you the other day.
Every day you see me, it's a great
I like the suit again. All right, what are we doing with Mr. Orozco?
Well, Your Honor, the state has tendered an offer. We are respectfully declining that offer. So
Okay, was the offer tendered today?
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
How old are you, sir?
I'm 34 years old, miss.
All right, so what I do, I always give people a chance to think about the offer, especially when an offer is just tendered today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recall you for a plea deadline date, and then we'll set you for a jury trial date.
So I'm trying to get. Well, I was trying to ask him if I can get the 10 years.
No.
Yeah.
The judge does not hear that.
Oh, so here's the thing with, let me explain something to you. Wait a minute, stop, time out.
Yeah, I got light on.
Time
I got
out.
light.
All right, we're gonna send you out. So I want you to listen to me clearly. It is not my role to hear the facts in this case. What ends up happening, if you go to a jury trial, a jury will hear it. If you want a bench trial, then I will hear the facts of the case. That's how it works. I'm not allowed to hear your plea negotiations with the state and your defense counsel unless they want me to hear that, but that is not allowed. Here's the thing, sir. I understand that you're upset and that you want to be out. I don't know why you're not facing me.
Because I'm mad, miss. Because the SAPD lied to me and they've been harassing me for 2 years.
So does he need an evaluation or no?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. We've been effectively been able to communicate.
Okay. All right. So here's the thing, because SAPD, according to you, lied to you, and because they treated you badly, that is no reason to disrespect the court. For example, the way you're treating me now, guess what? What if I were to say every inmate over there, because you treated me this way, I'm going to treat them badly, or I'm going to treat you badly because you're being disrespectful to the court? That would not be right. I don't do that. So don't do that to me. Do not, here's the thing, do not come to this court putting something on this court that somebody else did to you, because I didn't do it. So what I am telling you, if you will listen, all right, take a deep breath and listen. The state and the defense, they negotiate, and the state offers whatever they offer. The defense will tell you what the offer is. I'm not allowed, because those plea negotiations are supposed to be confidential. I'm not allowed to get involved with that. I know from what you're telling me is that you want to tell me about your case and how these charges never should have been brought, or maybe they should be dismissed. At this point in the process, it is not my job to hear that. I'm not allowed to hear that yet, unless there's a motion to suppress, or unless you want to have a bench trial and you want me to hear it, or either I will hear it when you have a jury trial. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I understand the frustrations that people will have because you're at the jail. You don't feel like you should be at the jail. You don't feel like these charges ever should have been brought. You don't feel like this case should have been indicted if people just had the facts. I understand. I understand your frustration, but do not take your frustration out on the court. I try to move these cases as quickly as possible. You have been here on January 2024, and then your court-appointed counsel was ill, so he asked it to be removed. So Mr. Arguelles was appointed, and I'm sure he got on your case as quickly as possible. He's just finished a murder trial. The state just gave you an offer today. So what's going to end up happening, and I want you to hear me clearly, this is going to be recalled for March 25th. You can either accept or reject the state's offer. If you choose to reject their offer, what is going to end up happening is we're going to get you a jury trial as quickly as possible. That's how things are going to flow here. Is there anything else?
Nothing for from the defense.
All right, thank you. Thank you. So are you on this case or is it Gail Calderola?
It's Gail, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm appearing on her behalf today.
So you're saying there is perhaps a competency issue?
Yes, Judge.
All right. So I'm going to recall this for March 25th. That request needs to be filed before then.
All right. I'll have it.
Do you have any questions, Mr. Moore?
I feel like I'm being set up in this occasion right now.
All right. So let me explain to you what's going on. And if you don't understand something that I'm saying, just let me know. All right. So in order for the defense to proceed with trial, they have to know that you're competent. For example, you know who your attorney is. You know what your charges are. You know the consequences of entering a plea or not entering a plea. You know what a jury trial is. Those are things. Now, they're saying that they may have some concerns about that. So what's going to end up happening is they're going to file a motion. A doctor is going to see you, and a doctor will make the determination whether or not you can proceed forward. If the doctor says you can proceed forward, we'll proceed forward. Do you understand?
I understand, ma'am.
All right. So what I can tell you is none of this is saying that you're guilty or not guilty. This is just the process. But I'm bringing you back on March 25th because I want to make sure that everything is filed so you won't just be waiting at the jail. All right?
I understand that, ma'am.
Okay.
It's just the process.
Yes, it's the process.
So when I return, I have a lot to say to you.
Yes. So when we come back on March 25th, that's to make sure that they filed the motion to how you evaluate it. Now, when you'll be evaluated, that will depend on where you are in the line because we have a limited number of doctors to evaluate people. There's not enough money for all the doctors. So once that's done, we'll make sure that everything proceeds as quickly as possible for you, but not violating your due process rights. All right?
I understand. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Okay.
Thank you. You have a blessed day as well.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse.
Yes.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.